Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So in this video we are going to discuss how to cover the current affairs for SBI clerk mains, and I will discuss both the things, like if the mains exam happens on 31st of July, then according to that, and if it happens on 25th of August, according to that also. Okay, so I will discuss both the situations and I will discuss how to cover the current affairs according to these dates. But our first target would be 31st of July. Okay, and if it get postpones, then we will get an extra edge. First, I will discuss about the sources, like which sources you can refer for covering the current affairs for SBI clerk mains. As you all know that for SBI clerk mains now, if there are some video sources, then the second is some PDF sources. Okay, so there are two types of sources. For video sources, like you have to cover the previous current affairs. So for video sources, there are one sir on Grade Up. He take current affairs classes on daily basis. Okay, and otherwise you can go for Affairs Cloud's video sources also. Then for PDF course, there is Affairs Cloud. Okay, and the other sources, like for weekly current affairs, I think there is Adda PDF also. But one thing I want to tell you here is that for video sources you can refer any of the sources, like for Grade Up also and for Affairs Cloud also. But for PDF source, I would suggest Affairs Cloud more, because in Affairs Cloud subscription, if you use the PDF course of Affairs Cloud, then what happens is they give the quizzes along with the PDFs, and there are many PDFs like daily, then monthly, then weekly, daily, weekly, monthly. Then there is banking awareness PDF in a separate format. Like in that PDF there are only banking news, which banking news are there in that PDF. Okay, and along with banking PDF there are topic wise PDFs also, like you can revise the important topics topic wise also. So at the last time, like if there are 4 to 5 days left for the mains examination, then you can cover the important topics from this topic wise PDF, like some MOUs, then there are some bank news, then some agreements and some conferences. Okay, so these are the important topics for mains. So for Affairs Cloud, if you don't have the Affairs Cloud subscription and if you are going like thinking of purchasing it, then I will give you the link of Affairs Cloud in description, and by using my code you will get 10% discount also. So the best thing in Affairs Cloud is that they give the quizzes. Okay, and when we attempt quizzes after reading the current affairs, like when we attempt same questions quizzes after reading the current affairs, then there are high possibility that we will remember the questions which we are attempting in the quiz. Okay, so this is the great thing. Now we will discuss how to cover the current affairs according to 25th of August and according to 31st of July. First I will discuss about 31st of July. So if the exam happens on 31st of July, first it will be clear in 2 to 3 days. Okay, whether it will happen on 25th of August or whether it will happen on 31st of July. But for now on, the first thing is that we have to cover the current affairs from Feb to July. These are 6 months current affair. Okay, then what you have to do is, if you have not studied anything till now, then do not try to cover the current affairs on daily basis now, because now it will not be possible for you to cover it on daily basis. As you know, there are only 14 days left, 14 to 13 days left, so it will not make much more difference if you cover it on daily basis from now on. So what you have to do is, first cover the current affairs for June and July month. Okay, and first cover weekly current affair and then cover monthly. And if you use Affairs Cloud, then first read the weekly question answer PDF, then for monthly read the top 100 question answer. Okay, then after covering June and July, go for April, May and June. Okay, for April, May and June also you have to cover weekly question answer PDF plus top 100 question answer PDF. And if you are not able to study from PDF, then you can go for grade up weekly current affair videos. Okay, these videos are available on YouTube. After covering the current affairs from these videos, then after you can read the weekly question answer PDF of Affairs Cloud, and then after covering all the 4 weeks, then you can go for the top 100 question and answer PDF. So one thing here is that you have to cover 2 weeks in a day. So there are 4 weeks in June, 4 weeks in July, so total 8. Okay, so cover 2 weeks in a day. It will take 4 days for you to cover June and July. After that, when you cover April, May and June, then there are 12 PDFs. Okay, it will take 6 days. So you can see 6 days here and 4 days here. You can cover these PDFs in 10 days if you cover 2 weeks in 1 day. And now you have to do that, because you have not, if you have not studied anything till now, then this is the only solution. You have to work more in comparison to the other aspirants who have prepared it from on daily basis. Okay, so you have to work extra to gain good marks in this section. So in 10 days you will cover the current affairs of July, August and April, May and June. So you can cover all these. So for July, it is for July only. Okay, so April, May, June and July, there are 4 weeks. Okay, sorry, there are 4 months. So there are 4 months and there are 16 PDFs. Then you can cover it in 8 days. Sorry, I forgot, I added July twice. So in 8 days you will cover the current affairs of all these 4 months. Okay, 2 PDFs a day. It means 2 months current affairs in 1 day. After that, for top 100 question and answer PDF, just take 1 day. Like after covering all the current affairs in 8 days, on the 9th day you will read the top 100 question and answer PDF of 2 months. Like first you can cover June and July on the 10th day. You will cover next 2 months like April and May. Okay, so this is the schedule till the 10th day. Like today is 7th of July. If you start from 18th of July, then till 28th you will do this. Okay, so till 28th you will cover the current affairs of April, May, June and July. After that, on 29th you will read the top 100 question and answer PDF of Feb and March. Only top 100 question and answer PDF and nothing more than that. Okay, so now we have reached on 29th. So we have left only 30 July. On 30 July you will cover, like you will revise all the PDFs. Okay, because it will not take that much time, so just cover all the current affairs PDF on 30th of July. Like try to revise everything. And when you are reading these weekly PDFs, then read them twice. First in the day and second reading will be before sleeping. Because you have to do extra hard work in these days if you have not done anything till now, as this is the most important thing in which you can fetch good marks in the mains examination. Okay, so this is for 31st of July mains. If it happens on 25th of August, then you can cover 1 week per day and try to do it in a very good manner so that you do not forget the answers in the exam. Try to cover 1 week per day, and yeah, do not forget to attempt quizzes. Try to attempt the quizzes from Affairs Cloud and other sites also. Okay, so for 25th of August you can cover 1 week per day, and for 25th of August you should start the current affairs from 1st July on daily basis. Like try to cover 2 days current affairs for 1st and July in 1 day. Then the next day you will cover 3rd plus 4th July. Okay, and then you will reach on the updated date of current affairs. So try to cover 2 days current affairs in 1 day if the exam happens on 25th of August. But for now your plan should be that the mains is on 31st of July and I have to prepare according to that. I have to prepare all these things, okay? And if the exam happens on 25th of July, then there will be 4 to 5 days left before the examination when you will cover all the PDFs. So before 4 to 5 days examination, Affairs Cloud releases a exam PDF. Just read that exam PDF and nothing more than that, okay? If you read the exam PDF before the exam, then like you will fetch around 70 to 80% current affairs from this exam PDF. So try to revise all the current affairs before the exam from the exam PDF itself, okay? And do not forget the banking awareness PDF. Try to give separate time to this banking awareness PDF, and this PDF is available on monthly wise, like Feb, then March, okay? So try to read it separately, because the banking awareness questions are more asked like the current affairs questions on banking, based on banking news. This is a banking awareness PDF, what it is about. So this is how you should cover the current affairs for SBI clerk mains. I have told you the detailed way how to cover it, okay? And if you think that this can't happen, no, you can do it, okay? Just try to manage your time and just try to focus more on studies. So that's all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.